Hello guys, welcome back to the SS Shooting channel. Today we are up at the farm on a scorching Saturday in June and we've got a real big treat for you today. So here we've got the Hammerli CR20 which my dad thinks is better than Lucille, and if you haven't seen that, it's the Weihrauch HW97K, and this is our newest one yet. It's so accurate. You've got the nice flip up scope covers here, and it's so powerful, it just goes straight through. So for our power test, we're going to be shooting this 10mm thick piece of acrylic. It's way tougher than your car window screen, and through the new beast we're going to keep seeing what each pellet does along the cross of the piece of acrylic. Catch you in a bit. So after the power test, the Diablo Field and JSB Exact did absolutely nothing. The Gamo Lethal did the most impact and left a nice little crater there. And I think we're going to move on from shooting this because the pellets are just flying absolutely everywhere and it's a bit too dangerous. So now we're going to go on to shooting some aluminium. So our dad really likes the trigger on this gun. It's just so sensitive. The accuracy is amazing, and this is just a dream to shoot because the trigger, one little pull and it's gone straight through. So we've had to stop filming and stop shooting just because it was way too hot at the farm today. But just to summarise this for you, the accuracy is absolutely incredible. Even though it runs off an 88-gram CO2 cartridge. And then the best thing about this by far is the trigger. It's really light and sensitive. You can adjust it in 3 different directions, and you can also adjust it on the cheek piece and the stock, which is really good, just to make it perfect for you. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and catch you next time. Bye.